You ever left a conversation feeling like you lost? You didn't yell, you didn't say mean things, you didn't even do anything bad. But still, you felt tiny. Here's what I learned. Being strong isn't about being loud, it's about being smart. There's one thing you can say, just one thing, that changes everything in any fight. It's not mean, it's not tricky, and most people never use it because they're too busy saying, "That's not fair." But before I tell you what it is, let me show you why you need to know this. Let's say someone is being mean to you. They say you're dumb. They say you don't know anything. They try to make you feel bad. Now most people fight back. They say, "No, I'm not." They try to prove they're right. They get upset and loud. But the coolest people, they don't get upset. They don't rush to talk. They look right at the mean person and say 4 words. "You are so right." Quiet. That's it. 4 words. No getting mad, no explaining, just power. You see, most people fight to win, but the smart ones let the mean person think they won. Then they walk away being the real winner. Because here's what "you are so right" really does. It stops the mean person from being meaner. It makes their brain confused. It makes them stop and think, wait, what just happened? It makes a quiet moment, and in that quiet, you have all the power. Try this. Next time someone is mean to you, stop, take a breath, look at them, and say, "You are so right." Then don't say anything else. Don't explain, don't get upset, just watch what happens. They might get confused, they might start being nicer, they might wonder if you know something they don't. You just became the calmest person in the room, and calm people are the ones everyone looks up to. People like people who stay cool. They like people who don't need to fight to be strong. They like people who are in control. So if you want people to think you're awesome, don't fight for it. Just say this once and walk away like you never needed to prove anything, because the loudest person is almost never the strongest person.